Hi. Today, we will look into some interesting need-to-knows about our ETERNUS storage solutions. You will see why we are different, the use of technology and some interesting offerings.
Defendant, as vendor representative you were charged with several complaints from customers about the storage you delivered. You forced them to do risky and complex data migrations to use your products. You seem to charge very high maintenance cost after the first 3 years. When expanding the environment, customers found out as well that the capacity-based licensing makes it very expensive. They filed the same complaint regarding upgrades and always are confronted with hidden cost for functionality they already expected to be paid. What do you plea against these complaints?
Your Honor, when selling storage, we have to be competitive. So we deduct what is not necessary and charge afterwards for additional things. To be honest, there is no other way.
Your Honor, forgive me to interrupt, but I heard that this is not the case with Fujitsu ETERNUS storage.
Interesting. Then my judgment is that customers should investigate that as an alternative and sentence you to a smaller storage market share.
Let me share some findings. Customers perceive our storage very positive and stay loyal to us for a long time. Do also not forget that our systems are best in class and high performing. At the same time, customers can count on fair and transparent prices. We are a solid technology provider, offering our storage already for 49 years to business-critical environments. We also always looking for smart solutions. So let's have a look to some of them. One of them is for sure the family concept. A seamless family design, allowing to grow with the business. The DX range offers extensive scalability within a model, and allows to scale up by upgrading to a bigger model within the range. And what do you think about simplified disaster recovery? This can be done between models, generations, and even between different technologies like all-flash and hybrid. For customers, this will really be an investment protection. We know that the floppy disk is history, and was replaced by the mechanical hard disk. Now, we are in the era where the hard disk is more and more replaced by the solid-state disk. Let's have a look to the key differences. Let's take 15 TB as reference. For this we need 25 hard disks. But we need just one SSD. With this one SSD, the number of IOPS per second is 3 times higher than with the required 25 the hard disks. We can count as well on latency delays that are 20 times lower. At the same time, we see a power consumption of just 2 watts, instead of 200 watts. Knowing this, you can imagine the reduction in noise and heat. Therefore, SSD is really a good alternative for storage infrastructures. The flash technology is available and further enhanced in new products on our roadmap. Let's talk now about 2 interesting ETERNUS offerings that customers should know as well. These are our all-flash AAF and the high-end DX8900S4. According to Gartner, our all-flash series offer all data reduction and resiliency features required. This includes all the software features needed, and is as well having a consistent look and feel throughout the whole ETERNUS line. Besides the functional benefits, the total cost for all-flash can be even lower than hard disk solutions. This year we will introduce the next generation all-flash arrays AFS3, including further developments.
Hi. Let me take you to some appealing need-to-knows from the ETERNUS DX8900 series, and especially the S4. With this model we will now break the 10 million IOPS per second barrier. It includes the NVMe Express technology, is full flash enabled and includes advanced data reduction technology. With this, it is superior in consolidation, in business data continuity, and in data service levels. Furthermore, it enables simple transition to full flash. We included a storage acceleration engine. With hardware accelerated compression, this is faster than conventional compression. It reduces the data up to 50%, of course depending on customer setup. Configurations can also be smaller using flash technology. Knowing this, you can use this in your offerings. Simply configure less than what is asked for and be competitive. You can get enterprise storage including all of this for prices below competition.
So let's summarize. Our ETERNUS storage is very flexible, scalable, and reliable. It delivers high performance and has some unique features.
Also, do not forget that, due to the family concept, it does not lead to forced migrations. Superiority is proven by benchmarks and industry-leading performance metrics. The low cost can also be a great pitch for 5 years maintenance contracts. As we do not have capacity-based licensing, the TCO will be low. And on top of that, no need for worries about unexpected additional cost afterwards.
This concludes the session. Promote ETERNUS and especially All-Flash and DX8900. For more information, contact your local pre-sales or data center entrepreneur. Thanks for watching.